What is a collaborative divorce in New York? Many Manhattan couples seek a respectful alternative to courtroom battles, and collaborative divorce offers privacy, control, and quicker resolution. Manhattan divorce lawyer Roman Shum provides guidance for couples considering this cooperative process. Under New York Domestic Relations Law Section 170, divorcing spouses must establish legal grounds and resolve financial and custody issues. Collaborative divorce meets these requirements through cooperative negotiation rather than adversarial litigation. In a collaborative divorce, each spouse hires an attorney trained in collaborative law and signs a participation agreement committing to settle all matters outside court. The participation agreement includes a disqualification clause requiring both attorneys to withdraw if either party chooses litigation, creating a strong incentive to reach agreement. After signing the agreement, both spouses provide full financial disclosure, as New York law requires transparency about assets, debts, and income. The negotiation process unfolds through a series of joint meetings with the spouses, their attorneys, and sometimes neutral professionals like financial advisors, child specialists, and mental health counselors. These sessions address property division, spousal support, child custody, and other divorce-related issues in a problem-solving environment. Once all issues are resolved, attorneys draft a settlement agreement and submit it to the Manhattan Supreme Court for judicial approval. A judge reviews the settlement to ensure it complies with New York law and protects children. Collaborative divorce in New York is a legal process where spouses and their attorneys agree to resolve all issues through negotiation outside of court. Collaborative attorneys receive training in negotiation and often belong to the New York Association of Collaborative Professionals. Neutral professionals include financial planners, child specialists, and mental health coaches who help with finances, parenting plans, and communication. These professionals serve both spouses equally and cannot testify if the process breaks down. Collaborative divorce often costs less than contested litigation because it avoids trial preparation, extensive discovery, and repeated court appearances. It often resolves in 3 to 6 months, whereas traditional litigation can stretch for 12 to 18 months or longer. Negotiations remain confidential and only the final settlement is filed publicly, protecting sensitive information. The spouses retain control over the outcome and can craft creative solutions tailored to their family rather than relying on standard court orders. The cooperative process often leads to better communication and co-parenting after divorce. If either spouse threatens litigation, refuses to disclose financial information, engages in abusive or dishonest behavior, or negotiates in bad faith, the participation agreement ends. When the collaborative process terminates, both attorneys must withdraw and the spouses must hire new lawyers to pursue traditional litigation at the Manhattan Supreme Court, which increases costs and time. Knowing both attorneys must withdraw if litigation begins encourages everyone to work toward settlement. Collaborative divorce is not appropriate when domestic violence, substance abuse, significant power imbalances, financial dishonesty, or untreated mental illness are present because these situations require the protections and discovery tools of court proceedings. To find a collaborative divorce attorney in Manhattan, consult the New York Association of Collaborative Professionals and the Collaborative Family Law Center for referrals. Ask potential attorneys about their training in collaborative law, how many collaborative cases they have handled, and what percentage reached settlement without litigation. Schedule consultations with at least 2 or 3 attorneys to evaluate communication style and compatibility because personal rapport is crucial in this process. Understand that collaborative attorneys facilitate negotiation and problem-solving rather than prepare for trial. An experienced lawyer can help you decide whether collaborative divorce is right for your situation. Consider whether a collaborative divorce is appropriate given your circumstances. Cases requiring formal court protection should follow traditional litigation. Contact the law office of Roman Shum, Esq. 20 Clinton Street, FRNT 5D, New York, New York, 10002, United States, at 646-259-3416 for guidance on collaborative divorce, mediation, or traditional litigation. Our law firm is committed to client-focused representation in family law matters. This law firm serves clients throughout Manhattan and the surrounding boroughs and helps you choose the dispute resolution method that fits your situation.